How to add an Interac etransfer contact on Scotiabank. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the site of Scotiabank. Once you're in the official site of Scotiabank, now what you want to do is tap on Sign In at the top of the screen. Click on Accept All. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and then click on Sign In. Once you have been logged into your specific account, it will be landing you on this official page. Head over to Move Money at the bottom and then move into Interac etransfer. Head over to Manage at the top right corner and then click on Manage Contacts. Now click on Add a new contact at the top. First of all, enter the name of the contact and then select the method in order to add. Once you have entered, tap on Continue at the bottom. You have to enter the email address and then click on this checkbox and then tap on Add Contact at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, Interac etransfer contact has been added successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.